We're counting down the 5 hottest trades in the market. We just tackled the meme stocks. Now we're plugging into another hot trade, the EV boom. EV stocks have been on fire. Just check out the move in Ford, the company doubling down on its EV efforts, sending the stock to a 6-year high. And get this, Ford is now up 25% in May alone. Let's go inside this trade. Phil LeBeau is with us. Phil, what's driving the action? That is not a normal move for shares of Ford.
No, and this rally, this extended rally for EV-related stocks or anything touching the EV segment, it's going to go for a while, Courtney. 3 things and 3 stocks to watch. Let's start first off with the lithium battery supply chain ETF. And we're showing you this because you really saw the rally, through the end of last year, maybe into February, and then since then it's plateaued. And people have said, well, is that it? Is that all there is for the electric vehicles? No, 3 things to watch. Here they are. First of all, you have got investments accelerating. Look at Ford. They're adding another $8 billion into what they plan to invest in electric vehicles. GM is putting more money into it. You've got other automakers, whether it's Hyundai, whether it's other suppliers. They're all plowing more money in there. Connectivity revenue potential. Adam Jonas at Morgan Stanley talked about this today. The automakers are just scratching the surface when it comes to the potential for regular revenue coming in from these connected cars. And there's going to be more models, more choices. How many more? Take a look at this data from LMC Automotive. This says it all. This year, if you go out to look for an electric vehicle, there are 21 different models for sale here in the United States. Check out by 2025, there are going to be 121 different EV models for sale. A lot more choices. So who are the automakers to watch as you look out over the next couple of years? No doubt you've got to watch Tesla. They dominate the market right now, and they've got the Austin Gigafactory that's going to open up later this year. They've got the Cybertruck coming out. They'll have greater production here in the United States. So they're going to be the leader at least for some time. Now, will they be the leader in 10 years? Too early to say, but they will be the leader for some time. Also watch General Motors. General Motors has its Factory Zero opening later this year. The first Hummer SUTs, remember, it is technically a truck. They will come out later this year, but they really ramp up production next year. And as you mentioned, Courtney, Ford. What they did last week when they said, here is the F-150 Lightning. This is a fully electric version of the best-selling vehicle in the country. That was them putting a stake in the ground saying we will be a big player when it comes to electric vehicles. So do not expect this rally that we've seen to end immediately. It may take a pause, but it's going to be extended over the next couple of years.
Got it. Phil, thank you so much. Appreciate you being here with us on a Friday. Have a great holiday weekend. All right, let's trade this. Tim, I know you're not a fan of Tesla, but what about Ford? Let's talk about Ford, because that's really how Phil ended the hit there and kind of brought us home on this EV rally, talking about this new Ford F-150 that's electric, which, by the way, sort of blows my mind. I'm not a truck girl. That might surprise you, but I thought the whole thing was power. And so like an electric F-150, like that's a thing people want. I don't know.
Of course it is. And I could see you in an F-150. I'm
driven
surprised
one.
you didn't say that's my rig.
I've driven one. I drove one at a rental car, and it was like, yikes, oh boy, this is a big guy.
I think that would be hot. But look, here's the story. The story is that Ford is a company that for years was running unprofitably and really outside of the F-150. I don't think had a particularly exciting line that was inspiring both their audience and really inspiring the balance sheet. What's remarkable about the F-150 is that this is the most popular vehicle in North America. When you look at the gross margin impact, ultimately where they're going to be, and the battery dynamics and the inherent costs, I mean, their EBITDA margin on these cars could be 8.5%. We talked about this a couple of days ago versus somewhere around 4.5% now. The bottom line here really is if you put anything close to an EV multiple on this brick and mortar and internal combustion engine Ford historic, and you put their $1.75 a share next year, and you put a 15 multiple on it instead of a 10 or a historic 8. And again, I think that's extremely conservative when you consider that they're talking about 40% of their fleet out a couple of years is going to be delivering on EV. And you compare that to a Tesla, which valuation makes 0 sense. That's the reason to be excited. GM as well. Again, if you just play with the multiple a little bit and you don't have to get out there in the stratosphere on multiples, these cars could be significantly, these stocks could be significantly higher.
Yeah, I felt like I was up in the stratosphere when I was on that F-150. I could barely see over the steering wheel. But Delano, what do you think here about the EV market? I mean, I think nobody is questioning that this is going to be a big, important space to come in the auto industry. But do you like Tesla, or is Ford or GM the way to play it? Or maybe the ETF that Phil was talking about, the lithium battery ETF. What do you think about this space?
I think the whole space has a big tailwind, as mentioned by Tim and Phil. What we're seeing is actually regulation is behind infrastructure. Investment is behind this whole EV space. And so there's a couple ways to play it. I do like Tesla, obviously the market leader. That's one that investors have been enjoying for a while. And I think you will still enjoy, share price performance from Tesla. You can also look at it take a step back and look at a broader ETF, right? So you can look at it from a space of the infrastructure, batteries, other areas to get involved in this space. And I think Ford is also great area to do. Investors liked what happened at Investor Day. You had, the president and administration going out, check out the F-150. You had so many different things. You can't really lose. And investors saw that Ford was taking a stake, as mentioned, into the electric vehicle space. So I think right now there's just so many tailwinds for this space, but investors have to pick and choose what makes sense for them.
Shepard Smith here. Thanks for watching CNBC on YouTube.